Hello everybody, my name is Julia from The Adventure Geek, and this week I'm bringing you a What's in the Box video. So what am I going to be talking about? I'm going to be talking about aeroplanes, mainly because we need to take these things on the aeroplane, and our backpacks have loads of straps and all that sort of stuff. So that's what this week's gadget is. And in fact, I've got two to show you. I'm going to talk about things I've used in the past as well. So if you're taking your backpack on a hiking trip, but you're going on an aeroplane, then stay tuned for this week's What's in the Box. Let's crack on with it. Let's talk about the problem. First things first is aeroplanes don't like you taking pointy things on the aeroplane just in the cabin, so you need to put these in the hold. And if you're going to do that, you might as well put your pack in the hold as well, which is what I always do. So I've tried everything from putting it when originally it was in like a trash bag, sellotaped it all up, wrapped it up when I was actually in the airport, put a label on it. I've done cling film, I've actually had it wrapped actually at the airport, all that sort of stuff, because you've got straps and all things hanging off of it, and you don't want your very expensive rucksack getting damaged on the, the baggage reclaim belt or anything like that. But for the last 3 years, I've used like a duffel bag, really thin duffel bag that transforms into a rain cover as well. I've done a video for that, which if I can find it, I'll put it up here in the cards. It's called a Highlander bag. It's about 12 quid. It's done me proud for the last 3 or 4 years. But this last trip I've just returned from, it had a load of holes in the bottom, plus my luggage straps just disappeared. When I went to take my bag off the luggage claim, it had just vanished. So I'm not really sure what happened there. But I thought, you know what, it's time for a new bag. So I went down the rabbit hole of looking into solutions for putting my rucksack in some sort of bag. So I've come up with 2 solutions. So I'm going to ask the audience and see what you think. Should I take the orange one or should I take the blue one? You decide, and I'm going to give you the pros and cons of both, and I've got them with me here. So let's go into the orange one, which is item number 1. Okay, so the orange one. So the orange one is by a company called Travelsafe, and it's a flight container bag. So it's a specific bag made for this purpose. Obviously, it's got a handy little handle on there, which you can just attach to the outside of your backpack. And then when you're queuing up to check in, then you can just take it off. That's the idea. And just pop your rucksack inside it. I'm actually going to do that now, just to show you how quick and easy it's meant to be. I haven't done this before, so bear with me. I haven't done it and had a look, but I've not actually put my rucksack inside. So if you can imagine, you're queuing up. Okay. So it's quite big. Actually, I could nearly fit in it. So it's quite big. It will definitely fit inside my rucksack. It's got these holes at the top, and apparently you can put your padlock through there. It's meant to be quite easy to just cinch down. So literally it should just be put it in. So let's do that and see how we get on. That's not fitting in brilliantly, is it? There's me pulling my umbrella. So I'll shove that in there, and then the little stuff back for it can go in there as well. I'm assuming you can just put that in there like that. I can stick my padlock through there, so that's all done, and then that will go. There's a handle on it, I think. Yeah, there's a handle on it. That's going to be quite awkward to carry. I'd have to definitely do that in the line unless I carry it like that. I don't know. Anyway, that's the orange one. I'm exhausted. I think that was quite a palaver. Right, let's try the blue one. You ready for this? The blue one you might recognise is actually an Ikea bag, but it's not a normal blue Ikea bag. I don't know if you've seen them, but these are the Ikea bags that attach to the trolleys that you can push. So they've actually got backpack straps to them, which I just thought was quite cool. They're a dinky little bit heavier than the orange one. So this is 175 grams and that's 155 grams, even though it says 142 on the outside of it, and on the paperwork it wasn't. So 155. The orange one was £17.95. This was a £5. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it out. We're going to put it together and just see how easy it is to actually put the pack in and all my other stuff as well. So, actually we'll put it up like that, shall we? Let's see if I can get the stuff in. Perhaps doing this on a chair was not necessarily a good idea. Oh, pole and umbrella. Does that fit? Okay, so I can padlock that, that's good. I can lift it up easily. But it has these straps on the back, so I can unpop that, unpop that. Let's see if I can wear it at the same time. That's easier to carry. What do you think? I think that's easier to carry, and I can do it before I get into the line for check-in. So that's probably quite easy. I can put a luggage strap on it, and these straps just tuck in and they pop together. So then you're not going to have all the baggage, the problem that I would have with the normal rucksack. So yeah, I'm not sure. For the sake of a £5, it doesn't really matter if it gets damaged. It's pretty durable. What do you think? Shall I go for the orange? Which the pros for me, I think orange will stand out on the conveyor belt, you'll see it easily. But I'm not going to miss an Ikea bag either, am I? So, what do you think? £5 Ikea bag with back straps? Or a £17.95 from Travelsafe, which is built to do what it's meant to do? Let me know what you think. I'm flying out to Spain on Monday, so let me know before then. That would be great. Messages in the comments below. Right, that's me signing out for another week. I hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, don't forget to smash that like button and give us some kudos. That'll be fantastic. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to get outside, get inspired, go take a hike when you can. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Ta-da. Bye-bye.